White lab coat, gloves, and goggles, students at Towson University are hard at work even during the summer, investing in themselves and their education.
There was some disappointment associated with the cancellation of some federal funding, but this kind of gave us the opportunity to kind of think critically about what it is we want to achieve with students and research.
Back in May, the University System of Maryland Board of Regents instituted Towson must cut $15.2 million from its fiscal year 2026 budget due to USM-wide reductions. Despite this challenge, the university found a way to support undergraduate research over the summer.
And we try to give the students authentic research opportunities so that they can go out and make important impacts in the next phases of their career, as well as actually creating data that can have an impact on human health.
This research focuses on making allergy shots more effective, but the students take the gloves off and step outside of the lab as well and get their hands dirty in nature catching crayfish.
We want to be able to inform conservation efforts in Maryland. We want to essentially determine how salt concentration, like rising salt concentration in Maryland's freshwater ecosystems, are driving the invasiveness of these crayfish that we're finding today.
They tell us this research relates to Maryland freshwater systems being threatened with increasing salinity levels due to historic and ongoing road de-icing salts. As they learn, they grow as a team.
I get to bond with everyone, and also I get to participate with students, and I think that experience that is like real-time exchange of knowledge and experience and excitement about what we're doing and why we're doing is absolutely essential part of the research.
And these teachers and students say what they're doing at Towson is a necessity.
Well, without research, there's not really progress and there's not really development. So scientific research at this level is very important for any kind of progress, especially the progress we need now with this like climate change and, of course, the road salts and everything that's degrading our environment today.
Some of the other research project topics across campus include preventing hackers from stealing information, detecting asthma through AI, mitigating cyber threats, and understanding sand on Mars. In Towson, Lacey Griffith, WBAL TV 11 News.